This is the espadrille that I've made from the leather material, and I've also made some cloth. At the end I will put a picture of the fabric espadrilles I've made also. But here are the leather espadrilles, and I kind of like the leather espadrilles the best. I like fabric, but I love the way the leather espadrilles look. And I've kind of did my own little tweaking to the espadrille. Usually the original espadrille has the fabric to come all the way up, but I decided to give it a little of my own touch. So I have the back of the heel out, and I put a little design on here to make it my own, and I also have some labels of my brand that I put on the insole that says B. Hollis Brands. And I used some thin thread-like material for the lace-up for the espadrilles to go around your calf. But you can fix it up as you like. But I wanted to come back and show you that I'm finishing some stitches up and show you the completed espadrilles. Alright guys, in the comments let me know what you think.